Hi guys, it's Wizix and I'm more than happy to finally introduce you my tutorial and scripts store. It's already more than 360 hours of tutorials video and 6 scripts. The main idea is to gather and organize all my content on the same place. Of course, I would like to give a big thanks to Kalin Drogo, who did all the website. Well, first, the most important thing is that it's all based on Gumroad. Okay, so you need to have an account and to be logged in. When you click on one content, it will open a pop-up window with all the information about the tutorial. This pop-up is the same than on the Gumroad. Here you have your account and you can add a course and continue. Okay, you will have everything to store here on your account. You can remove, paid, whatever, the same thing, and everything will be added on your Gumroad account and library. Of course, the most important thing of this website store is the organization. Okay, everything is organized on different categories. So here you have everything, of course, but here on tutorial are all the tutorial in English. The Fuse tab is for French guy. Donc les Français, vous pouvez maintenant retrouver ici donc la série Fuse, donc 2.0, qui est exactement la même que sur tuto.com. Donc même prix, tout pareil, sauf que vous passez par Gumroad. Le petit plus et avantage, c'est que ici vous avez du coup une qualité 4K sans compression en direct download. Voilà, donc pour éviter les soucis de compression notamment. Okay, so it's for the French part. I will continue in English. Here you maybe already know my script and the bundle tabs with some bundle that regroup most of the famous tutorial like MM44, Fuse series, and the script bundle. If you not already follow me on Gumroad newsletter, I really invite you to follow me here on the follow tab because I send you a lot of special code promotion, news about new script, tutorial. Sometimes I can also ask you what you want, things like that. So I invite you to follow me and subscribe if you want to contact me. And here, pretty simple, the connect tab with all my social media. Same thing, follow me, the Discord. Here, I invite you to come on the Discord to have a look on different works, projects, the Wikit here, the Fuse room here. You have the English one if you're not Français. Just things to introduce yourself on presentation. When you come, you have words to read, okay. And after you can come, join, post your WIP, post your final render, okay, participate. It's a great CG community with a lot of help, so you're welcome. Well, I really hope you will enjoy this store. I'm pretty open to any advice or feedback on it, of course. And I see you next for a new script and tutorial.